major hospital construction projects are underway in Western Jamaica. One rehabilitates the Cornwall Regional Hospital, and the other introduces a new hospital for children and adolescents. Both are now in their final phases of construction.
In phase one, the water infiltration that affected the building and caused the growth of mold, based on lack of maintenance for probably 2 decades before that, Mr. Speaker, this government decided to address in no uncertain terms. And so we addressed the water infiltration in the first phase. We repaired and placed in a new roof. Phase two, we have had to address the structural integrity of the building, removing components of the building and repairing the supporting structure that has been compromised by water. In 2024, we launched the final phase, phase 3 of the project, that is to realize the full rehabilitation of the building. This is being done, Mr. Speaker, in sections. The first sections of the building to be rehabilitated is the administrative block, with staff being able to be accommodated by this Christmas. In other words, we will begin to move back into that building before the end of this year, Mr. Speaker, in a phased way. And that's an achievement, that's an accomplishment after a lot of work. By April of 2025, the Medical Records Department, the General Stores, the Dietary Department, and the server rooms will be fully rehabilitated and operational, Mr. Speaker, hence showing the phased approach to rehabilitation. These areas are critical. This is a justification to the proper functioning of the hospital and are being prioritized to ensure that when the full hospital operations are restarted, they can provide the appropriate support to patients and staff in the facility. So this is a critical starting point. We have also been advised by the contractors that the next section of the building to be rehabilitated is the Accident and Emergency Unit, that we hope to be fully equipped with new CT and MRI machines as a brand new amenity to support the work of the staff of the A&E. So we're expecting that by the end of the first quarter of next financial year, the new A&E will be commissioned at Cornwall Regional Hospital, and it will be an absolutely brand new facility, including new equipment. We have now reached the final stages of the Western Child and Adolescent Hospital. The Western Child and Adolescent Hospital is on track to be opened officially by the Western Regional Authority by mid next year, between May and June. That's an additional 250 beds, fully equipped. We expect to hire in the first phase over 300 new healthcare workers, and that will become the only children and adolescent hospital in the Caribbean. And I'm pleased with the team and the work that they have been doing, including all the new equipment that will populate that facility. At that location, there will be 800 beds in 2 towers, one 8th floor, one 10th, and every single piece of equipment will be new in that facility, making it the highest concentration of hospital beds anywhere in the Caribbean, Mr. Speaker. That is progress.